Hello, friends. So today I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube video recording a little better. Don't mind Bella, she's chasing flies. She's weird. Anyway, let's take a look at this vlogging kit. But before I do, let me say, I was discussing this with somebody and the need for this, because what I wanted to do was kind of grow as a YouTuber myself in a way that I was using more than just the stand that you're sitting on. I'll show you that here in just a little while. But I wanted to grow as a detailer. So while I was talking to this person, he spends a lot of time on Amazon. And he found this. It's a vlogging kit. It's a tripod. It has a light and a microphone and a holder. It's really kind of nice. So, let's pull it out of here and take a look at it. So the first thing we have in this box, such goodies, 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 is a light. And this light has different colors on it. I think I have to charge it though. I'm not quite sure. Yep, I gotta charge it. But that's actually kind of cool because the last one I bought, it was just a little stand, but the light had just a need for batteries. And of course I didn't have batteries, but I also didn't use the light. But anyway, so it does have a light, so we'll check that out in the future. So here we have the microphone. This thing looks pretty nifty if you ask me. So I assume this connects to the phone. Oh, looky here. On the side it has an option to connect to a camera or a phone. That's pretty neat. I don't know how it would tell each one apart, but shoot. Okay, I'll quit playing. Alrighty. So here is the holder. This is gonna hold the phone. Seems pretty tight, but it's no different than what I have there. So, let's pull this out. I like this little black bag. What's that? Oh, one more accessory it did not mention. A remote. But anyway, looky here. That's pretty, it seems pretty sturdy. Oh, looky. It's got these little flip tabs. Ah, I like those. Those work better with my hands. All right. So, let me change you up a little bit so that I can show you me putting this together. Alrighty, so, oh looky, it's even got a little level on it. There's a level there. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm done playing. Okay, so let me just say, I don't know what's happening here, but when I tighten that down, it likes to, see, all I did was tap it, and now it's loose again. Alrighty, so there it is. Now, this piece will not stay tightened down. I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong, so I might take it apart and check it again. But so far, it's put together, the microphone, the light, and the holder, and it is put into the tripod. So now I'm going to put you over on the tripod, and then I'll show you this stand. Okay. I don't know what's going on with that piece. That's so weird. Anyway, so you are on the tripod. Now let me show you this stand. This is the type of stand that I have been using. If you are new to the game and you're wanting to do your YouTube detailing videos, this is a great way to start, just so you know. It really is. Now, I have an idea. I'm wondering if this holder will do better. So, hold please. Okay, much better, much sturdier. So this has these little handles here, and if you turn it this way, it will move up and down, and if I want to hold it towards me and tighten it down, there you go. Now let's reconnect it. You are now in place. So, one last thing. So I just switched them out and it works out better. Well, we can take that. We can do that. We can live with that. Now, let me see if I can't connect the microphone. Oh, wow. It even connects to a computer. I might have to give that a try. Okay. All right, so it's just now telling me that it's recording audio through this microphone up here. So let's take a listen at how it might have changed. I personally am concerned about it. I already have a little mic that I can put here, but it sounds like I am wrinkling up a paper bag while I'm talking to you. And I'm going, no, no. Anyway, total waste of money. So, we're going to see if we're recording through this USB and we sound any good. All right, so let's do this. Just, you're listening to me record without the microphone plugged in. So now I'm going to plug the microphone in. Recording audio through USB mic. Now I'm on the mic. So, did it improve? Did it make it worse? What happened? You tell me. I wanted to make sure this was in real time. So, there you go. But I will say I already have used this tripod one time. If you do not keep an eye on my channel, we are doing, I'm doing live videos right now because there's not a lot of videos for me to put out. And so we're going live and we're having a blast, by the way. And this weekend on Saturday, right around 7 p.m., 8 p.m., right around that time frame, Central Time, I am going to go live and we are shooting for 6+ hours of live stream. Now, what we're trying to do is beat Phoenix EOD. I guess they had a birthday bash here a while back and they had an over 6-hour live stream after having a total blast. And since I have a total blast with my people, I'm like, hey, let's go for it. But we've already beat the 4-hour one. Now we're going for the 6. So I will be using this. This setup seems fair enough. I like it. I'm not sure. I'll try out the light later. I might set it up and try the light tomorrow when I go live. And the reason I say that, let's see. There we go. So the reason I say that is because I keep it pretty dark in the house. And with it being dark, I could set up the tripod and have that light on and maybe it'll give me some light that on me. You know what I mean? And it'll give us a chance to watch it, but we'll have to tune into the live to see. Anyway, that is this tripod. Doesn't have a brand name, but so far, I kind of like it. Now, oh, I see. Okay, so, these things come in handy when you actually use them. So this top one is the iPhone or the iPad or whatever, and this is the Android. I don't even know why I was trying to read that without my glasses. Oh my God. Anyway. Man. Carlos, this is so nifty. Okay. So let's give this a try. It did it. A freaking remote just controlled my phone. Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen an old lady and a dog fight? Go. Go. Do you know what she's barking at? The neighbor's coming home from work. Anyway, the remote works. It turns the camera off and on. The microphone, I believe it works, but I haven't tested it. But I do have it on, so hopefully it sounds good. And the tripod looks sturdy. It seems in good standing, so to speak. Okay, so now I have the tripod on the second tier. Does that make sense? So, and the phone is like right even with my mouth. So can you hear me okay? Woo-hoo. Hello, I hope you can hear me. And I really like it. I better quit playing. Anyway, this is so cool, Mr. Carlos. I sure appreciate this gift. This was a gift you did not have to give me. I just wanted to improve the shots that I got, and I think this will do it. And this just goes to show, guys, Mr. Carlos said it's just a cheap tripod. See it and try it and see what you think. And I'm like, okay. So I guess what it comes down to is you don't have to spend a lot of money for something that might help improve your channel. So, thanks again, Mr. Carlos. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And this weekend, I want you to come and join us, so hit that notification bell and make sure it notifies you when we go live. We always have a blast. We have lots of laughs. And last night we went through a couple of hours of talking about music from the MTV days. So you don't want to miss out. We're going to have fun. Hope to see you there. Have a good one, everybody. Oh, by the way, peace.